Some mornings don't feel like beginnings, they feel like leftovers. Pieces of a life you don't recognize anymore, memories you don't ask to keep. And yet, you still wake up. Starting over isn't fireworks or epiphanies, it's quiet, uncomfortable, lonely sometimes. It's not a grand gesture. It's making a bed when you don't care to. It's choosing to try again, even when it didn't work last time. You don't start over with someone else. You start with yourself, with forgiving who you were, with letting go of what could have been, with one kind decision at a time. The art of starting over is knowing you'll be a beginner again and again and again, until one day you're not just surviving, you're living. Starting over isn't failure, it's faith. Faith in the version of you that hasn't arrived yet. And maybe they'll be worth waiting for. And tomorrow, you'll wake up again and begin again. That's the art.